Annyeonghaseyo. So today we are discussing analog clock. Alright, children, let's start with our discussion today. In the whiteboard or blackboard, see the analog clock pointing the arrows of the numbers 8 and 9. So, unsa man ang what time is on the clock? Okay, Samantha. 9:40, correct. Itudlo day asa ang nagpoint ang small arrow o ang
small arrow minus 9 ang big arrow check.
Long arrow.
Long arrow nas 8.
Okay, very good. Next question. Okay, next question. What time was it 3 hours and 10 minutes ago? Aiko. 6:30. Giunsa man nimo pagkuha ang 6:30 day? Unsa may solution nimo?
Minus na check.
Okay, i-minus. Unsa may i-minus nimo day? Okay. Question, class. What is analog clock? Okay. Rachel. Gaya ko. Oh.
9 moving hands and 9 number 1 to 12.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Next question. Unsa man ang gitawag og quarter time? Okay, Erika.
Katunga sa oras.
Katunga sa oras. Okay. If moana ko quarter to 3, unsa naman ang orasa? Okay, Jivon.
Quarter to 3.
2:30. Very good. Another. Unsa man ang orasa if maingon ko quarter to 12. Okay, Althea. Okay, 11:30.
Okay, yesterday, nag-topic ta about sa triangle. Unsa man to about sa triangle atong gitopic?
Area of a triangle.
Okay, so area of the triangle. So gidiskussan ta mo about area of the triangle gahapon. Unsa man to ang formula sa area of the triangle?
Area equals base times height over 2.
Okay, very good. Ang formula sa area of the triangle is area equals B times H over 2. So, muna siya by letter na to. Pero, ang meaning anang B is, unsa man to? Base. Ang H?
Height.
Ang A?
Area.
Hindi na area ha. Area. Area.
Area.
Okay. So, sa board natay 10 questions, diba? Mo na ang inyong giansiran yesterday. So, karon mag-check taan na. Kamu ang mo answer sa board. Nakasabot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 1. Kinsay ganahan mo answer? Okay, Jessie. Please come forward. Pagkuha og pentel pen. Okay, who wants to answer number 2? Okay, John Paul, be ready ha.
Yes.
Ikaw man sa imong manghod na si Jessie, ikaw ang musunod. So, number 1 na tong problem is ang height is equals to, pila man ang height?
4
4?
meters.
Okay, ang base?
6 meters.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Correct ba ang answer niya, Jessie?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, ang answer sa number 1 is 12 meter squared. Okay, number 2, John Paul, please come forward. So, atong height, pila man ang value sa atong height?
6 inches.
Okay, 6 inches. Ang base?
10 inches.
Okay, 10 inches. Kuwangan pa na og over 2 ang imong 60 inches, Paul. Okay, very good. Don't forget sa atong formula na always over 2. Pila man ang half sa 60? Pila man ang katunga sa 60? Pila man ang katunga sa 60, Paul? 60 divided by 2, pila man? Pila day ang divide, Paul, sa 6 divided by 2? Okay, pila answer ni mo, Paul? 30 inches squared. Okay, very good. Next, number 3, Jasmine. Okay, ang number 4 na to is si Pritchell. So, Pritchell, be ready. Kasabot? Number 4. Okay. You can bring your notebooks if dili ka ka-memorize pa ha, kay kamo man pod nag-answer ana. Pareha sa gibuhat ni Jessie. So number 3, ang atong height is 4 cm, atong base is 7 cm. So correct ba ang answer ni Jasmine?
Yes.
O, pila may answer ni Jasmine?
40 centimeters squared.
Squared. Ay, kalimti ang squared. Okay, number 4, Pritchell. Answer na. Ari sa board. Please come here sa board. Okay, ang problem nato sa number 4, atong height, pila man? Atong
6 centimeters.
Okay, 6 cm. Ang atong base, pila man?
8 centimeters.
Okay, 8 centimeters. Unsa man atong formula sa triangle gali, area equals base times height over 2. So, ayaw kalimtigit ang formula sa triangle. Okay, very good. Pila may answer ni mo, Prichel?
24 centimeters.
Okay, 24 centimeters squared. Okay, next, Riza, number 5. Please answer number 5. Number 6, let's start with Jasmine. Number 6. So, Jasmine, ready. Be ready, okay? Okay, so answer niyo tanan sa inyong mga problem is correct. So, number 5. So, ang h or atong height is 5 meters and base is 12 meters. Okay, very good. Pila answer ni mo, Riza?
30 meters squared.
Okay, ang area of the triangle is 30 meters squared. Next, Jasmine, number 6. Okay, so today, ipabarog ta mo sa atubangan kay mag-memorize ta sa inyong story. Unsa man toy title sa atong story?
The bag.
Okay, very good. So, before ta mag-individual, kay para ta mo sa tubangan, para individual recitation, ato sa i-recite ang story sa The Bag. Kamu upat. Ready? Go!
The bag. Tim has a funny bag. The bag likes to hug Tim. He also likes to sleep in a mug. One day, the bag got stuck in a jug. Tim dug the bag out of the jug.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's start with the individual. Jan, go!
The bag. Tim has a funny bag. The bag likes to hug Tim. He also likes to sleep in a mug. One day, the bag got stuck in a jug. Tim dug the bag out of the jug.
Okay, very good, Jan. Next, Criselda.
The bag. Tim has a funny bag. The bag likes to hug Tim. He also likes to sleep in a mug. One day, the bag got stuck in a jug. Tim dug the bag of
Nakalimot ka, Criselda? Okay, ang last part. Unsa man to ang last part, Stefan?
Tim dug the bag out of the jug.
Okay, so mo to ang last part, Criselda, ha? So, wala ka memorize karon. Okay, next, Stefan.
The bag. Tim has a funny bag. The bag likes to hug Tim. He also likes to sleep in a mug. One day, the bag got stuck in a jug. Tim dug the bag out of the jug.
Okay, very good, Stefan. Next, Angela.
The bag. Tim has a funny bag. The bag likes to hug Tim. He also likes to sleep in a mug. One day, the bag got stuck in the jug. Tim dug the bag out of the jug.
Okay, very good, Angela. So, ang wala ra ka-memorize ninyo, ikaw, Criselda. So, Criselda, mag-practice ka ha. Kasabot, kanatay, new story. So, dapat sa next story, maka-memorize na ka, Criselda. Nakasabot? Okay. So, kamo, akong L1 student, very good. Okay.